Welcome to week 5. This week we will finish up the review letter and then begin our next unit. For Monday night, you'll respond to 2 of your peers' full drafts of the review letter. At this point, we'll hold off on workshopping or giving feedback to yourself on your own draft, but we will do that in a later lesson. So for now, you'll respond to 2 peers' full drafts and take the Comma Rules 2 quiz. For Wednesday night, you'll have the vague pronouns quiz and then the revised review letter quiz. This again is meant to be an interactive activity, as when we did this for the editorial, where you go through it step by step and revise your review letter 1 step at a time. I encourage you to make this activity a priority, as it will help you significantly improve your score on the review letter. For Friday night, you'll add your course ID to your review letter and submit your review letter final draft. You'll have the option to publish it on the class magazine discussion board for extra credit if you like. Then for Saturday night, you'll read the guidelines for the next paper, which is the researched argument. You'll read some sources, learn about finding more sources to use in your paper, and take the What is a Peer-Reviewed Source quiz. These 3 sources that you'll be finding will not be due until next week, but you'll want to start looking for them this coming weekend. So, important things to highlight again: the review letter final draft is the most important assignment of this week and has the most points and the most weight. So make that a priority, but definitely these other assignments will help you prepare and work towards that goal. In the meantime, let me know if you have any questions, and I'm here to help.